listen. Okay, stay. Stay. All right, go ahead. I was pretty surprised to see so much snow on the porch. This is our first snowstorm in our new house. It's also been a while since we've really been in any kind of snowstorm. Maybe a little bit in Arizona, but not quite to this degree. We've been traveling in our trailer here for 4 years. We usually avoid the cold as much as possible. So this has been pretty fun though to actually see the snow in the new house. Our dog Gracie, she loves it. I didn't think she would like it as much. We took her out one time when we were in Arizona. We drove up to Prescott. It gets pretty cold up there. What are you doing? I get to know. Didn't know? No? I think we got about maybe 3 inches or 4 inches or so. It's supposed to melt pretty fast, but then gonna be cold again. I don't know if they're supposed to get too much snow. There was snow when we drove in here with the trailer. I don't have any footage of that. That was a little bit difficult trying to get the trailer in. Over here the road is not very wide. Gracie, stay on the ground. This is a bit of a change for us, being so cold. But fortunately here in Kentucky, it's not gonna be cold for too much longer. We're getting to be the end of January, so I guess about another month or so before it starts warming up, so we just have to buy warmer clothes. Whoa! Whoa! What? There's metal on that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
We're having a very exciting morning already. Besides the snow. We didn't know there was metal on top of this container here. And I saw this flash. So now I know what happens when you stick metal inside a microwave. The thing was aligned with aluminum. That was pretty scary there.
I didn't know that. I just thought it was box.
We thought a chowder would taste really good on a snowy day.
Next, step downward facing dog. Start downward facing dog.
So I'm going to get some chowder. As I get some more light, there it goes. My wife's wonderful, spicy corn, chicken, potato, carrot, celery, soy milk, chowder.
Yeah, a little bit of everything, John. You forget the bacon?
We made it to the Glade Visitor Center, coming to check out this log cabin. We're on our little hike here, just down the road from the visitor center. The branches are so heavy, they're including the trail. So I think that is going to conclude our chicken, corn, onion, celery soup, woodsy winter adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.